album, 6x6 album with these papers that is called My Favorite Christmas. I have stickers and some of the leftovers from other stickers and papers from the other Eco Park thing. So I chose these two papers and I already made lots of albums. So now I'm making these fastest albums and I'm kind of making my own ideas here so that it is fast. The same time I can, oh my god, I don't know where this housefly came, and then I can just, you know, so here I cut these two papers in 6 and then again 6. So I'm kind of trying to make different kind of albums. I made lots of them, and here I'm just making one mark on 6, and then I will do that with all the 4 papers. That's okay. And I really like, so I want this front of the paper. So I'm not creating much bulk here, but I'm just creating these big signatures which will go inside. And I'm not creating a big here, the big kind of. So this one is my first page, so I will make this one as the second, third, and I'm gonna put this inside as a fourth. Or I can make it like front also, but it's too busy to make a front, so it's better to put it here. Okay, so now we have these 8 pages going on. I don't want to go more, because as I go more here, you can see here it will create a bulk, and I want the easiest way, so I'll do this way. And then it's just part of decorating. I'm gonna put all of these decorations on it and see, and create some pockets and put some stuff here so that it will have a little bit of fun, and as well as it will do very fast. Now here particularly I will create the, this is my book binding stuff, and here I will just, you know, make a punch hole out of it. These are my homemade stuff. These are not big, these are very small, but if you are like afraid that they're gonna move or something like that, what you can do, you can just tag them and then put these kind of clips. Oops. Okay. And if you feel that you don't have clips, then you can, you know, use the washi tapes also. Just make sure that they will not go here and there. And then after this, I'm just seeing on the sides, like, so this one is total 6. So if I want to make I'm gonna do on one on this, 2, and other on 4, so it will be like equally distributed. And then it's very easy. I'm just going to do the punch hole here. Okay, nothing fancy. I'm doing it very fast. I'm putting all my supplies there. I have this thread. You can use the embroidery thread also. It's already in my needle, so I'm gonna use this. And after making those hole, you can make those hole with these also, the big needles, that will also work. And then I will go again inside. Basically I'm just securing the things very nicely, very properly, and then I will just make a nice knot. That's it. And after making a knot, I will just cut the excess. I'm gonna put all this book binding stuff aside, so we are good to go. You can remove the clips and start adding to your album. So basically this one is my front cover of the album, and I will just go ahead and make it really fancy and nice, because this album is not too much. This is literally simple inside, so I want to make use most of it. And here this is like not full, so I will use something else there, and I'm gonna put, still I will put this, how much it is there, it's okay, no issues. Here we're gonna put something else, and then they have this nice Merry Christmas thing going on, and I will put that also. Now decorating is all about whatever you like at that moment. It's not like, you know, it's not a big thing or something like that. I think these berries will look cute here. I put those berries, and now this side I can put this slate or this tree, or I can just go ahead and put these stuff, and I can put the background, I think this one, this tree, but it is not popping up there. Let me see if it has something. Okay, I have this. I'm gonna put this tree here, and then now you can go ahead and make it a dimensional also. You can add foam tape and everything. I'm just going simple at this moment. I don't want much things going around, and I'm gonna put this big tree truck under this tree. That's it. I like the way it is, and then I will just start decorating inside. So for inside also, I have this thing. I can put this thing here, and so I'm making lots and lots of these albums to give kid to actually my kids love this, and he wants to give his teachers, and I don't have time because I just make one album, and I ask him that would you like to give it to someone, and he was like, oh, I loved it so much that I want to give it to everyone in my school. And I was like, everyone? It is a little bit tricky for mama to make so many albums. And he was like, but I want. So it's okay if he asks me something like this, when it's like he's giving something to someone. I really appreciate that feeling that he had that in mind, that sharing the things or giving like giving the things or appreciating someone's work. I always like, I always love that the way he did. So now I'm just putting these, which is from the same line, so it's gonna match really nice. And I'm not doing much fancy pockets here because my spine don't have that much kind of, room that it can handle, and one side is more flourishes and other is like that. So I can just add, maybe here we can add two. So first of all, I start with the elaborated one, but now I don't have time, and I don't feel that it will be justice to give one teacher a very beautiful one and another teacher is like just like that. So I'm kind of try to make it everything for like simple manner for everyone, like I hope you understand. And then I'm just putting these inside. These are very last minute projects I decided to do, so I have so much going on already and I really don't have time, but he asked me, so I can't say no to him, and just I'm making all these. And I hope the recipient will love it, cause if you put so much love, and like my kid, he's so much in these things, like he wants to give and he wants to appreciate. I really liked it. I already write down the personal notes for all the teachers, which I'm gonna put inside as a letter, and we're gonna just put that inside. And here, what should I do? I have this nice thing, so I can cut it down and put it this aside, or I can just put this like a card. Okay. I did it on wrong one. I think so. So I will put this on the back. No, back it's not looking good. So I think I should put it here itself in middle. Just like that. I want to make a pocket also, but I just put that glue there. And here I can put this one. I want to make a pocket at that moment and put that there, but I didn't do that, but it's okay, never mind. And now it's time to add some goodies inside it. Yep. So I have all of these things going on here. I can put those inside like this. I wish I had some more to put inside because I feel that it is not much. And here we don't have anything, so I think I should put more, and for that I need paper. Let me see, from the same collection. So I have these two papers, with this gift one, and this one is like kind of plaided and these things, so I can use it. I'm gonna cut them in 4x4 things cause that gonna fit easily inside the album. Okay, I will just cut down this one, 4, and these ones also. 4. I need to change the blade. I was so hurried that it's working on one layer, it's okay. But sometimes more layers will not give that kind of effect also. And then this paper is so beautiful. I love it. And we will see that if we need more, so we can put like this and one like this, and here also we can put like this. I'm kind of trying to make little bit kind of colorful and interesting. And for particular this, they have this pattern, so I can put like these two inside. I don't want this should go too much inside, so they can just use these things for tag or something like that, or they can put their pictures or anything they want. So we still need more on these one set, and I think okay, so we need more.